In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the problems that companies face in the consumer packaged goods space, and how data analytics with Sparkflows can help. First, we will start by discussing the problem and a solution, and then we'll take a look at a fully built example in Sparkflows. Looking at the CPG market as a whole, strong growth has been projected for many years to come. However, this overall growth comes with some caveats. Consumer sentiment and spending habits are changing faster than ever. Combined with a destabilized macroeconomic environment, this has led to uncertainty across the CPG space. Diving deeper into some of the specific challenges companies are facing, we can identify areas that can be improved using new data analytics solutions, such as Sparkflows. Most importantly, we will be focusing on defining buyer behavior patterns, cutting the cost of putting models into production, and improving visibility into evolving demand. Now that we have identified the issues we want to solve using data analytics, we need tools and a platform to build and execute. This is where Sparkflows enters the picture. Sparkflows gives users of all capabilities, from data engineers to business users, the ability to build what they need. For this example or case study, we will be focusing on customer lifetime value, an integral statistic in the CPG space. We want to create a model that can predict the lifetime value of a customer based on transaction and invoice data. This solution can help identify the behavioral patterns of various customers and their spending habits. The goal is to use this model to inform decisions such as marketing and promotions that affect customer behavior and ultimately improve each customer's lifetime value. For this solution, we will be building it in 4 parts. We will start with exploratory data analysis, then we will do data preparation, then we will model the lifetime value and attempt to predict it based on our data, and finally we will be creating reports and analytical apps to extend the usefulness and the availability of our work. Thank you for listening.